Hey there, this is some tips for your homework on number 3. So if you look at number 3, they talk about Jane and Scott were given identical boxes of crayons, and 2 weeks later, Jane had 4/9 of the box and Scott had 3/7 of the box. Who has more crayons left? And it says solve this problem again, but this time by standardize each fraction by changing it to a percent, okay? If you remember, you actually did the same problem on homework. I want to say it was homework 6, okay? And so that's why they say solve this problem again. So what you want to do is you're going to use your little charts twice, one for Jane and one for Scott, and find the percent of crayons that they have left. And then whoever has the higher percentage of crayons left then has more crayons, right? So let's think about how that's going to look. Ooh, let's not do that. Let's add a blank page. Okay. So that means I'm going to start with a chart for Jane and a chart for Scott. And each one is going to look identical, okay? So I'm going to have percent, right? And crayons is how my items are being labeled. And then there was the total that they started with, and then the amount that were left, okay? So I'm going to have the same exact setup on both sides. And then I'm going to set these up. In each case, the percentage, my total percentage is 100. And I'm looking for the percent. Okay, and then I'm going to use the fraction that are given. So let's see, Jane had 4/9, so I'm going to have 4 and 9 here. And Scott had 3/7. And that way I'm going to find my X and my Y, and then I'll be able to compare those. And whichever one has the higher percentage indicates that they have more crayons left.